SkillsMatch is a new resource for prospective, new, or returning IVCC students. SkillsMatch can help you discover what skills you have and explore career and educational recommendations. With the adult learner in mind, this tool helps you find what skills you already have from previous work experience, education, and more. Go to ivcc.edu/adult, navigate about midway down the page, and click on SkillsMatch. If you would like to save your results, you can create a login, but that is not required. You can find opportunities based on your skills, which is a tailored approach, or you can start exploring opportunities now, which has no tailoring. We are going to find opportunities based on your skills. Here there are 4 different paths that you can go down: explore new career paths, level up in my career, find a job, or learn and explore. We will explore new career paths. From here, you would select your level of education, and there are different options for degree status: completed, in progress, or on hold, and active. We're going to select associate's degree. Then we have to select business or whatever area it is, and then degree status we're going to put in progress. So we'll add our education and continue to skills. You can extract them from your resume by simply copying and pasting or uploading your resume. I am pasting in a sample resume that was found online. We'll extract skills, and then it'll come up with some skills over here on the side, and you would select what skills of those that you have. So for example, interpersonal communications you have, but maybe some of these other skills you want, such as QuickBooks. We're going to go back to the skills overview. You can also look by job title. So for example, customer service assistant. And it'll give you different skills based on that you might have or want. Okay, from there you can save and return to skills overview. You can also select by category. So business is one of those categories, and then it comes up with subcategories. And again, skills that you have or skills that you want. And you just go in and select these skills, and you can keep exploring. We're going to save and return. Let's say there's a specific skill that you know that you have, but you can't actually think of the name of it. So maybe you have some grant writing experience. You can go ahead and add that, save and return. And then if you're done adding skills, it will then come up with some additional skills that maybe you didn't think of that you either have or want. And you can go through and add more skills. So from here, there are 4 areas that come up. There's career areas, education, job postings, or you can return to my skills. So this, under career areas, shows you different career areas that might be of interest to you. So under journalism, if you select that, and we'll flip this to a list grid, it'll show you the different courses that we have that match either skills that you have or skills that you want. And it also shows local jobs in the area. Additionally, you can look at the education. It'll show you courses that we have based on skills that you want. It'll also show you programs that we have based on skills that you want. For job postings, you can search by city. Unfortunately, not by zip code, so you would have to put in each city that you would like to explore, and it'll come up with jobs in the area. If you click on that, it will give you details about the job itself and let you apply. And then again, you can go back to your skills and add more. If you have any questions about SkillsMatch, feel free to contact me at 815-224-0361 or visit ivcc.edu/adult.